Hello friends, I'm Gaurav Somani and today I'm going to talk about Finoptions Institute of Financial Studies Private Limited, fondly known as Finoptions. Finoptions is a premium training institute in central India, dealing in financial domain, expertise in training like products or certificates like Cfa International, FRM, financial modeling, advanced Excel, NISM based trainings and other corporate trainings. Finoptions is a dynamic and growing organization committed with a vision of working to create a financial and professional ecosystem by imparting industry required skill set, creating employment opportunities, and connecting aspirants to the corporates and corporates to the aspirants. Over the past 13 years, Finoptions have trained aspirants and professionals coming from different domains and backgrounds. Let's say somebody from 12th pass out to a graduate and an MBA, somebody who is a CA, wanted to get into a finance domain core profile, professionals with 2 to 3 years of work ex. So we've trained a lot of aspirants or professionals who want to get into the field of core finance or develop skill set for that particular domain. Finoptions is proud to have an alumni connect of more than 500 qualified professionals working in finance domain on a pan-India basis, with more than 50 plus corporates in different geographical locations. Every year, Finoptions takes close to 70 plus career awareness sessions for commerce and management graduates in various B schools, guiding them in terms of what is the current and the best required industry skill set so that they can prepare themselves far better for this kind of profiles into the industry, or they can prepare themselves more for the industry required skill set. Finoptions ecosystem with the right mix of technically sound consultants, counselors and educators coming from a cross-functional expertise like CFA chartered holders, CFPs, CAs, MBAs, IT professionals, project managers. This is what we have to offer you. If you're looking down to pursue a career in finance, come join Finoptions.